Firefighters circle a pile of scaffolding in Whitestone, Queens this morning. Those rickety metal beams beside a house under renovation were no match for today's wind. They collapsed across a neighbor's fence and landed on top of his house.
I thought it was just they were taking boards down until I came out and saw the whole structure down on my roof.
Even some trees could not compete with the wind in New Jersey this morning. In Livingston, one tree got tangled up in cable and phone lines. Another fell on power lines in South Brunswick, where there were about 2,000 power outages this morning. But it wasn't just wind in New Jersey. Drone Force 2 captured a picturesque white Christmas in Vernon. And in Rockland County, snowplows were starting their rounds on Route 304 just as Santa finished his.
We're going to come out to this. It's a wonderful thing, and I'm going to go out and start snow plowing.
Katie Norris drove through the snowfall this morning on her way down from New Hampshire, just after her flight was canceled.
It started snowing in New York, and then some in Connecticut. But once I hit Connecticut and then the city, it was fine. I was like.
Now it is picking up here a little bit now that some families are finishing up their dinners, but of course it is expected to be a lot more crowded here tomorrow. We're live from LaGuardia Airport. Bauman, CBS 2 News.
The day after Christmas rush. Allie, thank you. Today's wild winds made Christmas Day a bit chaotic for a family in Maywood, New Jersey, when a tree came crashing down just inches from their home. The tree blew down at the corner of Fairway and Passaic Street this afternoon. The family who owns the home is staying with a friend nearby, and most importantly, everyone is doing okay.